I am Marcela Guizardi and this is Reviewing for You. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing the product My Shed Plants. So stay with me for a couple more minutes that I have some valuable information for you to consider before even buying anything. So what is My Shed Plans anyway? My Shed Plan is a digital product that promises to have you ready to start building wooden sheds and a huge range of other woodworking projects within a few days. So guys, this is great because you can be a beginner. When I say digital, it means that you will receive access to a downloadable information packs in the members area containing the following: 12,000 designs, plans, and also a bonus, how-to guides for woodworking projects. So an important thing to know here, a CD option is also available for this product. What people are saying about this product. So I read myself and analyzed the reviews from some buyers. And guys, the general consensus of buyers surveyed was that My Shed Plans offers great value for money. So people were indeed able to build sheds, storage spaces, garden furniture, shelter for animals, workshops, and other common wood product reasonably easily, even for those people with fairly average DIY skill levels. Some even said that it was a lot less expensive than the other woodworking packages, and several reviewers recommended it as the best woodworking guide available on the market. It also presents a feature that many customers appreciated, which is the step-by-step, easy-to-follow plans, detailed diagrams, instructions, and photographs. This all came together in a very comprehensive approach that should appeal to the regular homeowners. So some even described the product as, and I quote, like having a carpenter with you every step on the way through the completion of your project. So how great is that? So to summarize it all, the product has good content and quality, but a warning here that I want to give you guys: just be careful where you see it available on the internet. The official supplier page is down below in the description. I have a link so you go straight to it if you want to buy or even learn more about the product, read more comments and review from other buyers. You can have the link right below here in the description. So don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel so you can have more of a reviewing for you. See you guys in the next one.